Good afternoon, everyone. This is Christy with Ahn Co. It's Tuesday, February 20th. I'm going to go over the markets with you. So long weekend, so we had 3 days off of trading here, and all eyes were on weather stories. Looked like areas of Argentina got some really beneficial areas or amounts of rain, but the areas that didn't get rain really got nothing, and that's the issue here, is that it continues to have some problems in some select areas of Argentina. Little too dry there. The heat is still a problem, and then you're coming in with a forecast that's a little wet in Brazil, and we need those beans to get harvested here, about 17% harvested. So it was enough to start off with a big push to the top side bean market, up anywhere from about 16 to 20 cents almost here overnight into the morning trade. Pulled corn and wheat with it as well, and then you just started to get to midday and run into some stiff problems, and that's where you saw wheat break first. Wheat was anywhere from about 3 cents lower in Minneapolis to anywhere to 8 cents lower in Kansas City, and then corn broke down about 2 cents here, and then soybeans closing quite a bit off their highs, only closing up about 5 cents. That was a big issue. So you got two big stories to follow through here onto the bean market. Is two questions. So is Argentina that big of a problem? With the crop we have in Brazil and the crop that we have in the US for soybeans, is this big problem going to last? And that's the biggest question we need to ask this market. The second one being, can we get a close above that next price count? It was very hard to get your close above the price count of 1003. We needed that additional dryness to get there, and our next price count is 1032, and we need those closes above it. We traded above it today but could not close above it, so you got a little bit of a setback there. And then over to the meat market, struggled a little bit. You're stuck between seasonal support here and the fact that outside markets were a little bit on the negative side, so just slightly positive into the cattle markets. And then lean hogs about $1 higher, really probably looking at what we're going to do for cash trade to dictate how futures go this week. And like I said, outside market's not that favorable. Crude market traded both sides, and then you actually saw US dollar up about 60 cents, and then the Dow market down over 250 points, so that really weighed onto the cattle markets. Moving forward, what you're going to be watching is just all eyes on Argentina to see if they get any moisture or a pullback in that heat that they've been experiencing. Do have to close with a disclaimer: trading in futures and options involves risk loss, may not be suitable for all producers. Have a great day.